Welcome to our Spanish language terminology class, a very special class that started more than 10 years ago now. And thank you for coming here and being here with us, whether you are online or in person. I'm Jack Mudry. I'm the teacher of this class. I'm an interpreter for the state and federal and county courts going back to the 1980s. Currently, I'm a federal interpreter and I work as an independent contractor. And thank you once again for being part of this program. And remember, this class is bilingual. So that means that those of you that understand Spanish well will be understanding me both in English and Spanish. And there are those who will need to work more on their English skills, or those who need to work more on their Spanish skills. We're going to be doing both of those. Amigos y amigas, bienvenidos. Gracias por acompañarme. Esta es una clase de terminología legal en inglés y en español. Esta clase empezó hace más de 10 años. Yo tengo la dicha de haber sido un intérprete federal desde los años 80 y con el estado y la ciudad de Denver desde los años 70. Y para mí es un placer y gracias por compartir sus experiencias conmigo. Espero que sea de su completo agrado.